My AC unit won't turn on after overflow sensor was tripped. The thermostat shows a blank screen. I checked the circuit breaker panel and nothing was tripped, but I turned them off then on as a troubleshoot.
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. Did you do anything such as messing with a control wire that may have shorted and blew a small auto-type fuse in the furnace? What is model on furnace or air handler?
We've been having problems with the overflow drain line clogging and usually have to take a shop vac to it to clean out the gunk. The sensor will trip shutting the unit and thermostat off and we just have to drain the line. It did that again today, but it still hasn't turned back on and it's been over an hour. FX4BNF036. It's a carrier.
Lift the switch out of the drain and see if the circuit makes and we get voltage back to thermostat.
It's already out. When we couldn't get it to turn back on, we took it out and let it dangle so it wouldn't trip again. It's been an hour and nothing.
Can you bypass the float switch by connecting the two wires together and see if we get power to thermostat?
You want me to remove the wires from the float switch and connect them to each other? That won't hurt anything, will it?
That is correct. Now not the actual float switch wires, but the wires going to and from it. All the float switch does is break that circuit when drain stops up.
I'm not sure how I can remove the wires, but I'll try. If this doesn't start the unit back up, what are my options, if any?
Take a photo and I can guide you in what I am suggesting. There should be two small wires connected with wire nuts from the float switch.
Float switch.
Okay, the easiest thing to do is follow that red and white wire to say where they splice into the control circuit. Then disconnect the wires there, otherwise you can just unplug the red and white and hold them together or use a small fuse to connect them. http://i.ngr.com/act900f.png.
We have bypassed the float switch and still nothing. The thermostat is still blank.
Can you give me model on the furnace or air handler itself and let's look for a blown fuse inside unit? http://i.ngr.com/ke4ips.png.
Carrier FX4BNF036.
Remove the top panel on the air handler and locate this fuse on control board. Remove it and see if it is blown. http://i.ngr.com/5xqtboss.png.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/ythi.